매년 여름 커지슨 비치에서 보냈던 소중한 추억.
Summer house is made up of lots of things. The beach, the swimming pool late at night, movie nights with the moms. But the boys most of all.
어김없이 아이들에게 찾아온 여름. 과연 이번 여름에는 이들에게 무슨 일이 생기게 될까요? 올해도 커즈슨에 가기 위해 준비하는 벨리.
Belly, we're leaving in the next 10 minutes.
No, you don't.
Okay, before I let you go, you have to tell me your summer wish.
You want a hot makeout with Conrad Fisher. You want his tongue in your mouth, you dirty little slut.
벨리가 더욱더 여름을 기다렸던 이유는 그곳에 12년째 짝사랑 중인 콜레드가 있었기 때문이죠.
You look a lot different than last summer, Belly.
커지슨으로 향하는 길은 늘 설렘이 가득했습니다.
My mom is weird about money. The fact that Susanna has a lot and we don't.
두 남매를 훌륭하게 키운 엄마 로럴, 그리고 늘 얄미운 친오빠 스티븐이 벨리의 가족이죠.
Hey,
Boys at school never look at me. Taylor's the one they look at.
are you new this summer?
Me? No.
Thought I knew every pretty girl in Cousins.
절친 테일러의 말대로 교정기와 안경을 뺀 벨리는 정말 예뻐지고 있었습니다.
Smells exactly the same. Tastes the same. Like it's been waiting for me to get here.
드디어 엄마의 절친 수제나의 별장에 도착한 벨리.
They're here.
What's up?
Hi, oh my god.
Hello. You've been going to the gym?
이 집안의 둘째인 제로마이아, 줄여서 제르라고 부를게요. 그리고 이 집안의 첫째이자 벨리의 짝사랑 콜레드.
I liked you better with glasses.
Too bad. I like me better without them.
이렇게 어김없이 네 사람이 여름을 맞이해 모였습니다.
You have always been lovely, but oh, honey, look at you.
I think I look pretty much the same.
You do not look the same at all.
You're growing up.
You're in bloom.
Where's Mr. Fisher?
He's in London. They got him going back and forth.
엄마와 서점을 가기로 약속했지만 미인계로 바다에 가자고 꼬시는 제르.
I'm going to check on the catering for your party.
Catering? I swear to God, Beck, you said you were doing a few bottles of wine and that's it.
It's just a few light appies. Calm down.
이번 여름 많은 일이 벌어질 해변에 도착한 두 사람.
You want a race?
No, I can't.
Oh, come on.
Legs are too long now. I can't do that.
Steven. Dude, are you kidding me? Okay, we get it. You've been working out.
Oh, you're just jealous because Jer has a better body than you.
No, actually it's all about the lean look now. Otherwise you can't wear tailored suit.
그리고 벨리를 위해 특별한 선물을 준비한 수제나.
I wrangled Belly an invitation to be a debutante.
Is that the thing where the girls wear white dresses and curtsy?
It's when a girl comes of age and is presented to society.
It's just not Belly's kind of thing. She's our feral little alley cat.
I'll think about it.
She'll think about it.
못 본 사이에 풋볼도 그만두고 대마초까지 피우기 시작하며 어둡게 변했던 콜레드.
You said marijuana messes with white matter.
What do you give me if I do?
Nothing. I think you should quit for yourself. Why are you acting so different?
I'm not.
I know you. Just tell me.
Ellie.
갑자기 등장한 불청객 때문에 입을 닫아버리죠.
Let's go, Slowpoke.
Have fun with the moms.
그리고 첫날 밤 저녁에 느레오던 영화의 시간을 넘기는 벨리.
Why am I hearing from you? You never call me on the first night.
Just the two of us, and it felt different. I don't know. I mean, Jeremiah and Stephen came down, and then they all just left and went to this thing on the beach.
Oh, why didn't you go with them? Go to the bonfire, get in his eye line, let him see you all dressed up and looking cute. Look in your duffel bag.
테일러가 선물한 야식거리한 드레스를 입고 모닥불 파티로 향합니다.
Yo, gas station girl. So, you got a boyfriend back home?
Stephen!
And I'm sorry, what are you wearing?
I invited her. Who are you?
I'm her brother. No, she's 15, you pedo.
I'm almost 16.
My bad.
Quit embarrassing yourself. Are you kidding me? Are you okay?
Ellie?
하필 콜레드가 메롱메롱하는 걸 보고 말았죠.
Who are you? Who are you? Nicole?
You're such a brat.
Well, you're an asshole.
Belly,
You came! Great! We can all hang out, you guys.
I'm about to take her home.
Listen, for one, I'm really happy you're here.
Don't you think maybe it's time you talk to him?
Can we just have a really great summer like we said we would? You know, it wouldn't hurt you to put yourself out there more. Get on Tinder while you're at it.
Oh my God, please stop.
Okay. I really think you should let Belly have a dub season. I really want to see our girl in a white dress.
Fine.
어디에도 끼지 못하고 있던 벨리.
You're Flavia, right? You play second in the poem recitation?
Yeah.
You dressed up for the costume contest, right?
뻘쭘하지 않게 벨리의 옆에 앉아주는 캠.
Just because I don't really know anybody other than my family.
I do.
그리고 어린 놈의 시키가 제법 달달한 분위기를 풍깁니다.
I don't drink at all
Me neither. So how do you know all these summer people if you're local?
because I'm interning on a whale watching boat, and it would be really, really great if you won.
What's your problem, man? It's one beer.
파티에서 안 싸우고는 못 배기죠. 경찰이 오고 나서 겨우 마무리되었습니다.
But we know each other. 7th grade Latin convention, so like we're not total strangers.
자연스럽게 데이트 약속까지 잡는 두 사람.
This could be my summer wish. This night, this boy.
캠을 만나기 위해 새벽부터 준비하는 벨리.
Things change, whether you want them to or not.
Hi. Let me have a puff.
No.
Yes.
No. Laura would actually kill me.
Okay, fine. Then if I can't smoke, then you can't smoke.
Hey, let's go pick up some of the good muffins before everybody else gets out.
I actually have somewhere that I need to be. See about a whale!
뒤늦게 캠의 보트를 쫓아가 보지만
Sometimes it kind of feels like no matter how hard I try, I just keep missing the boat.
Belly is going to be a debutante.
It's really not that big of a deal.
I'm going for a swim.
Yeah, she could use some etiquette.
어마어마한 아이들이 모일 데뷔탕스를 대비해 수제나의 카드로 비싼 옷들을 잔뜩 준비하는 벨리.
Yeah, it's something.
Oh, you look like a princess.
She looks like the tooth fairy.
Everybody's eyes will fall out of their heads when they see our girl. No, that one's much too simple.
But it does seem more like Belly.
Laura, trust me, these girls go all out.
한편 수영장 안전요원으로 알바 중인 제르.
Hey, Jeremiah.
Hey, Billy, no choking, all right?
Aren't you gonna save me?
오늘도 섬신할매의 정성이 들어간 얼굴 덕분에 재미있게 살죠.
You're just such a slut, man. Okay, I just like to kiss. Never kissed her, though. Yeah, keep it that way. Okay, alright. So Shayla's cute and all, but I'd avoid getting sucked in.
그 사이 벨리는 데뷔탕스의 첫 모임을 가고 있습니다.
Belly, wow, I didn't even recognize you.
Do I look like a fool?
No, you look good, but you look good.
그리고 역시 모닥불 파티에서 만난 애들도 있네요.
Oh my god. That's the girl Conrad was kissing at the bonfire. And that's the girl Steven was with. FML.
Is that from the other night? I think we're good.
Thank you.
수제나는 콜레드의 초상화를 그리며 시간을 보내고 있죠.
Belly looked really nice in her new dress. No more sleeping till 2, no more day drinking. I want you doing something productive.
Sure.
상류층 애들 옆에서 끼지 못하고 맴돌고 있는 벨리.
You know, the usual. Every Ivy, minus Cornell.
Ithaca is so bleak.
She's too busy I**ing the waiter.
That's Belly's brother.
Belly, what are you doing here?
우연히 만난 캠에게 그날 늦어서 미안했다고 사과합니다.
Okay, well, do you think going to a drive-in movie with me tonight might help with the wistfulness?
Yeah, I think it would.
Cool.
오늘 밤은 꼭 역사를 만들겠다는 마음으로 힘을 주네요.
It's fine. Of course you can go. I've dragged you to enough of these book parties over the years. Have a great date.
You look hot.
Hey, stop flirting with my sister.
Shut up, Steven.
You look good though.
자동차 극장에서 아무리 재미있는 영화가 나와도 두 사람 눈에는 들어오지 않습니다.
총 가져와.
책 출시 기념으로 사인회를 하는 로럴.
I really liked it.
You sailed?
I mean, you surprised?
You see that boy over there?
Oh yeah, the one who's been pounding Chardonnay all night, yeah.
요트 대회까지 나간 적이 있는 콜레드를 소개시켜주죠.
I could use some lessons.
Did my mom put you up to this? Yo, this shit is so boring. Can we go somewhere?
Yeah, we could go to the drive-in.
드디어 메롱메롱 각이 잡힌 두 사람.
But the way I feel right now, this is what everyone talks about.
Hey, could you, grab me that drink? Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Thanks. What the hell do you think you're doing?
Just catching the end of our favorite movie.
You have no right. You have to go.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Wait, what?
Steven, drive the car.
결국 불청객 때문에 분위기를 망쳤죠.
Yeah, just video games.
Don't stay up too late. You've got work early in the morning tomorrow.
All right, Mom. Promise.
Are you hydrated now?
Yes.
But she doesn't know who I am.
Steven, I know it's kind of lame, but will you be my date to the dead ball?
Yeah, definitely.
Belly, come on.
And you guys had to come and ruin it. Admit it. You knew what you were doing, reminding me that you existed.
Stop being such a baby.
Oh, and you're such an adult. You spent your Saturday night crashing my first date for fun.
I wonder if this is the way all crushes die, with a whimper, slowly, and then just like that, gone.
그리고 매년 이곳에서 생일을 맞이하는 벨리.
What is that?
Infinity. Imagine it's a racetrack. You see how there's no starting or ending point? You could travel endlessly around those curves. Goes on forever. That's infinity.
올해도 어김없이 여름과 함께 벨리의 생일이 찾아왔습니다.
You're making us pancakes already.
Actually, I'm not really hungry.
Okay. Open mine now, Belly.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Thank you, Susan.
My mom gave me these pearls for my sweet 16.
선뜻 선물을 건네지 못하는 콜레드.
Wow, Steven, I can't believe you actually spent money on me.
Relax, I just didn't want you stealing mine next year when I get in.
Conrad, do you want to give Belly your present?
Sorry, I forgot.
That's cool. I wasn't really expecting anything anyway. So.
테일러 역시 벨리의 생일을 축하하기 위해 커지슨으로 오기로 했죠.
But it's your birthday. And you're the main character, Belly, not her.
Yeah, thanks, Jer.
처음에는 별로 내키지 않았지만 클리브랜드에게 보트에 관해 이야기하며 웃음을 찾는 콜레드.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'd be happy to. Great.
And if you look at her Instagram, she has some menswear options that might go really nicely with what I'm planning on wearing. We totally don't have to coordinate outfits if you don't want.
Jesus, I'm sorry. No, I really, really want to. I just really want to look good next to you.
You do. Oh my god! Happy birthday! Thank you. Belly, you little tart. What? Open your present. Do you like it?
Okay, Belly would never wear that.
Actually, I really like it.
니콜과 콜레드까지 하며 여름을 즐긴 아이들.
You're slipping, Steven.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. No, now it's on.
I don't think you're ready.
Come on.
Ow! Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I'm so sorry, man.
Taylor.
Come on, Belly. Conrad can take care of Nicole. Let's go inside and look at ourselves in the mirror some more.
Yeah, have fun with that.
Well, thank you for taking care of me.
Anytime. Sorry.
Oh God. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I'm late.
Okay. Bye.
Am I crazy, or does Cleveland Castillo look good? No, it's a celibacy talking.
I think he might just be perfect sex after divorce material.
벨리의 생일 파티를 위해 거하게 준비하는 수세나.
What's up, Laura?
Still my special guy, you know? Well, the first baby. You can talk to me about anything. You don't have to hold everything in all the time. You don't always have to be strong.
캠도 함께 벨리의 생일을 축하해줍니다.
Cam, have you ever had meal cook before? It's a Korean birthday tradition.
No, looks so good. Thank you.
You know, I'm thinking maybe we should go to Nicole's party.
Yes.
Oh my god, did you hear about that? I'm so excited.
오늘 밤에도 역사를 만들겠다는 마음으로 준비하죠.
Look at us. We're hot ass bitches.
My book and body star spotlight. 날 봐, I'm star, star, star.
You can. Hey, Nicole, you look so pretty.
Oh, me, look at you.
Yeah, have fun over there.
Okay, I'm gonna go find a drink. Okay.
Belly, where's Jeremiah?
제르가 오늘도 아무나랑 메롱메롱 하는 사이 콜레드와 벨리는 서로의 눈치를 보고 있었습니다.
Come on, look, she's always gonna need you, alright? You're like her number one.
This line hasn't budged. You wanna go upstairs and see if there are other bathrooms?
Taylor, are you in here? Oh my god.
Belly?
Oh my god.
Steven!
You're hooking up with my brother? He's dating someone, you know, someone he actually likes.
You're saying he couldn't like someone like me?
No, that's not what I'm saying.
오랫동안 많은 것들을 공유한 사이였던 만큼 섭섭한 것도 오랫동안 쌓여 있었던 두 사람.
I think you're the self-absorbed one, Belly. How do you not know that I've had a crush on Steven for years?
I can't deal with this right now. I gotta go. Thanks for coming tonight. Hey, I've been meaning to ask you something. Does it ever feel weird being the only one who's not drinking?
Is that it?
Yeah.
그렇게 생일의 마지막을 찝찝하게 끝낸 벨리는 우연히 콜레드의 방에서 자신의 선물을 발견했죠.
At least he remembered infinity. Doesn't he know, for him, I would have traveled endlessly around those curves.
I just don't get Conrad this summer. It's because he's been acting weird since the first day that I got here.
Look, I'm happy you invited Cam last night. He's really cool.
Have a safe trip. Thanks. Okay.
And about last night, you'll be happy to know that it'll never happen again.
Look, I'm not mad. I need a minute to take it all in.
벨리는 이번 여름 사랑도 알아가고 있었지만 익숙함 속에 아니랬던 우정도 다시 배우고 있었죠.
You know, boys might come and go, but a best friend is once in a lifetime. We have to hold tight to our friendships because we never know what the future will hold.
What, did Taylor leave?
Why? Do you want to go make out with her some more?
Belly, don't give me shit.
All right, I feel better now.
She really likes you.
I don't know. I just feel like she's used to being with, you know, like the kind of guys who were at Nicole's party last night. I guess I mean she's used to guys who treat her like a queen.
So, you were feeling insecure, and that's why you hooked up with my best friend?
Yeah.
아이들에겐 이번 여름은 유독 쉽지 않았습니다.
I've wished for Conrad on every birthday. What if now I have the power to make my wish come true? Is Conrad still my wish?
그리고 로럴과 수제나에게도 이번 여름은 가혹했습니다.
I know you said you didn't want to do chemo, but
I'm not putting myself through treatment again. I'm at peace with it. I'm gonna tell the kids when we get back to Boston. I just want one last perfect summer at Cousins.
독립기념일 전통에 따라 이번 주말엔 아버지들이 오기로 했죠.
Wait, are you wearing makeup? I'm sure it has nothing to do with John coming to the clam bake.
oh, please. The husbands always come for the 4th.
He's not your husband anymore.
Oops, yeah. Ex-husband.
그리고 벨리와 스티븐의 아버지이자 로럴의 전 남편이 존이 새로운 애인까지 끼고 이번 주말에 오기로 했습니다.
You gotta fold the bottom sheet into 45-degree angle if you want tight corners. Yeah, not like that.
Is this what it would be like? If we were older? Me and Conrad together? And why is my mom letting him bring his bitchy girlfriend anyway?
Hey, how do you know she's bitchy? What if she's like a really nice person or something?
하지만 새로운 애인 빅토리아는 너무 완벽해 보였죠.
Just kind of hoping for a vapid ditz and Lululemons.
You have a much better ass.
She's hot. Yo, that could be their future stepmom. Dude, what the hell? Don't push me. Guys, they're coming. They're coming. Yeah.
초반에는 약간 어색하긴 했지만 빅토리아는 금방 어색함 없이 어울리기 시작합니다.
Victoria really did read your book. You know, surprised she didn't run screaming by the end of it.
I'm a novelist, John. I write fiction.
So Adam couldn't make it, huh?
Apparently not.
아이들은 술을 잔뜩 넣은 독한 칵테일을 만들고 있네요.
Watching Laurel put dad in his place, you know, she'd walk in and she'd be like, Adam!
Adam, you came.
못 온다던 피셔 형제의 아버지 애덤이 왔습니다.
You managed to get off work.
Yeah, couldn't miss the 4th with my family.
All right, well, let's get back to the party.
Hey, Connie, can I talk to you for a minute?
I'm gonna head to the beach.
What are you doing here, Adam?
Laurel called me this morning, said get your ass here, so I'm
She
here.
shouldn't have done that.
술은 입에도 안 되는 벨리였지만 독한 칵테일이 입에 맞았는지 쭉쭉 들이키고 있네요.
Shut up! I know what he's talking about. He knows what he's talking about. He's on my side.
콜레드는 왜인지 아버지와 거리를 두고 있습니다.
I don't get Conrad. It's like 1 minute he's all over me. And he stays over, but then we don't even fuck, right?
Do you really think he likes me?
Yeah, totally.
Water.
Yeah, Cameron, you are so sweet. Isn't he sweet?
Do you want to go for a walk on the beach?
Belly, by the way, I love that dress.
You know what?
You and Taylor are like twins. And you both like the same summer boys, which is... we do?
결국 술에 취해 말실수를 하고 마는 벨리.
Them kissing. It was like he like loves you. He loves you and
Whatever you have with Dad, squash it, all right? Please.
누가 봐도 싸한 표정으로 돌아가는 니콜과 셰일라.
Just drink water.
Okay.
Call your mom.
Not...
Hey, what? Are you guys leaving?
I know you guys hooked up.
Shayla, that really doesn't mean anything. Look, she doesn't mean anything. It's
You can
not.
relax. I mean, it's not like we're exclusive.
I've always liked you with wet hair.
How many of those have you had?
Let me just ask you one thing, okay? Did you buy me that infinity necklace for my birthday?
I knew
Can I please? Can you give me some privacy, please?
Where'd all the kids go?
More for us.
Ooh, I want the piece with the strawberries.
Okay. Here, let me help you.
Adam, I'm fine. Come on. Adam, I gotta stop it.
그리고 수제나는 결국 반지를 빼버렸죠.
Well, I see you're not wearing your ring.
He cheated on me 3 years ago with his secretary while I was going through chemo.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because you would have told me to leave him, and I didn't want to, and now I do.
I'm gonna kill him.
Laurel, I've handled it.
Adam's a dick, but you're gonna need him. The boys are gonna need him.
You always think you know so much better than everyone else. Just stop trying to manage my life.
마음에도 없는 말로 상처를 주는 두 사람.
You're lucky she and your mom didn't get hurt.
I didn't know she was drinking that much.
You're the oldest. You're supposed to look out for the younger kids.
I don't know why, but I thought I could talk to you.
Hey, Connie, hold on. I'm sorry, man. I got a lot going on right now.
이번 독립기념일은 유독 웃기 힘든 날이었죠.
Do you still love her?
I think I'll always be a little bit in love with Laurel.
But she stopped being in love with you?
Sometimes people change. They grow in different directions. It doesn't mean they stop loving each other.
술을 먹기 위해 찾은 바에서 클리 블렌드를 만났습니다.
Are you leaving already?
Yeah, love you, son.
Love you too, Dad.
All right, see ya.
반나절 만에 스티븐을 찾아온 셰일라.
So look, I fucked up before when you said we weren't anything serious, and I agreed with you. I don't know. I didn't mean that shit.
Then why did you say it?
Because I choked. I'm sorry. You just make me so nervous. I don't want to be with anybody else. All right?
No.
똑같이 글을 쓰는 작가라 그런지 클리블랜드와는 이 아이가 잘 통했습니다.
Hey, do you want to get out of here?
Hi.
Jesus.
I'm never drinking again.
I'm gonna make hangover soup. You can have it for breakfast.
I don't know if I feel fireworks with Cam. Did you feel them with Dad? At least in the beginning.
What I felt for your dad was steady. It was like a cozy campfire that would keep me warm all through the night.
Have you ever felt fireworks for anybody?
Once, but it was never going to work out. The fire would have burned us both alive.
Your bow is untied. Love you, Mom.
Love you too, Bean.
So I think my mom just got railed.
What? By who?
I don't know.
Belly, about the necklace.
I'm sorry I brought it up.
No. I did get it for you. Belly, you don't know the effect you have on people.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You do.
You'll know when you want to be with that person no matter what. Too hot, too safe, you won't care. You'll just feel right.
화려할수록 뜨겁고 위험한 불꽃처럼 이번 여름 이들의 관계는 유독 뜨겁고 위험해지고 있었죠. 무도회 준비로 더 바빠진 벨리.
So sorry I was such a mess yesterday. I really hope I didn't screw things up that bad.
It's okay. The first time I got drunk, I FaceTimed each one of my exes one by one and made them tell me why we broke up.
Exes? Can I get like a ballpark figure?
니콜과 함께 무도회에서 출 왈츠를 연습합니다.
Conrad actually, he left me on red last night, and I was wondering if you've seen enough metal today.
No, he was still asleep when I left.
So, what's with a good mood? I don't know, maybe I'm just happy to be alive after you almost blew me up last night. What were you guys doing out there anyway? I don't know, just talking.
Coffee?
Had a cup, but I could take a refill. Thank you for being my friend.
Always. I had sex with Cleveland Castillo last night. In my car.
그리고 콜레드가 벨리를 찾아왔네요.
Speaking of your dad, how was yesterday?
A shit show.
Yet you seem happy.
Why does everyone keep saying that?
I give good love advice. No charge. In fact, I am debating whether to text a woman that I had a very memorable liaison with just last night. She is a mature, divorced, talented writer that I met recently. I'd like to see her again.
When can I see you again?
See? This is exciting.
I'm too old to be someone's
Laurel.
booty call. He hasn't even really seen me naked.
Yeah, it's just, we grew up together, so I've always thought of her as this little kid. But now she's not.
You like her?
No. Well, I don't know. I mean, I just have so much shit going on. If we started something, I feel like I could fuck it up.
Well, if there's one thing I learned from years of overpriced therapy, it's that you can't be good with someone else until you're good with yourself.
무언가 결심하듯 캠을 만나는 벨리.
Sorry, I was planning
It's
to.
okay. You don't have to do the whole speech yourself. The why or the who doesn't really matter.
Bummed.
But I'll be fine. You should be with the person you really want to be with. And I hope he treats you right.
수제나와 로럴은 화해한 기념으로 10대 아이들처럼 실컷 취해봅니다.
Oh my God, the guy you hooked up with last night was Cleveland Castillo.
It wasn't planned. One thing led to another, and we ended up having sex in my car.
La 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 la, I am not listening. My boy, look at you. How's your summer, my love? You happy?
Yeah. It feels a little bit different this summer, though.
Summer's the same. We're the ones who are changing.
드디어 집으로 돌아온 콜레드.
I broke up with Cam. Last night, you and I almost kissed.
I was pretty wasted. I don't really remember much.
What do you want me to say? I'm sorry?
I'm not waiting for you anymore.
마음은 전혀 그러지 않으면서 계속 못지게 벨리를 밀어내죠.
What happened to the boy I loved since I was 10?
Hey, so, I'm sorry about what happened.
I'm sorry too. Hooking up with your brother on your birthday was. What's wrong?
I really wish you were here.
콜레드가 적극적이지 못했던 이유, 바로 엄마와 감추고 있는 비밀을 알고 있었기 때문이었죠.
No falling today.
그리고 콜레드가 놓친 기회는 제레에게 돌아갑니다.
You sad you broke up with Kim?
No, it was the right thing.
You're my best friend. There were times I wanted to be more.
Why didn't you say anything?
There was always Conrad. And this summer it was Cam.
몇 번이고 기다려봤던 제르는 더는 기다리지 않고 돌아온 기회를 놓치지 않기로 결심했죠. 제르의 마음을 받아줬지만 여전히 형제 사이에서 혼란스러웠던 벨리.
Oh.
Sorry.
Morning. How'd you sleep?
Fine.
Great.
Excuse me. Why do you keep leaving your hair on the shower wall?
Calm down.
No, it is gross. All right, if you do it again, I'm leaving it on your pillow.
콜레드의 고민은 더욱더 복잡해지고 있었죠.
Conrad, what's going on? Maybe you should tell your mom you know.
I mean, she doesn't want me or my brother to know. Finding out would crush her. It would ruin everything.
This is happening, whether you say it out loud or not. Conrad, it's not on you.
그리고 오늘은 배구 토너먼트가 있는 날입니다.
Feeling good about the tournament?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm sorry. Pretending like I don't remember when I remember everything.
I don't know what to say.
Can I take you to the ball?
What?
I mean, I already know the dances. It's no problem.
I'll think about it.
Think about it.
토너먼트를 위해 달려온 테일러에게 그동안 있었던 일을 털어놓습니다.
This just makes things all the more exciting because you get to tell him no. Belly, you are telling him no, okay? Because need not I remind you of the bullshit Conrad pulled last week?
Look, we don't have to talk about this right now. This is not why you came.
This is exactly why I came.
I'm just glad you're here so we can win this tournament.
사실 콜레드가 무도의 파트너를 제안한 이유는 아픈 엄마의 부탁이었기 때문이었고 그 사실을 미리 니콜에게 이야기해줍니다.
Why doesn't she just go with Jeremiah?
You know, Jerry, like, he hates this kind of a thing. Don't forget.
드디어 시작된 경기. 하지만 너무 열심히 한 나머지 테일러가 부상을 당했죠.
I just like twisted it. Can you sub, please?
Yeah.
제르가 합류해 순조롭게 이기나 싶었지만 올라갈수록 점점 밀리기 시작합니다.
Now look at me, watch the ball.
You got it.
Jared, focus!
결국 경기를 중단시키는 벨리.
I'm so sorry. I have to win this, okay? They'll match my pledges.
I get it.
Conrad, I need you to sub in. Now.
운동신경이 좋은 콜레드 덕분에 무리 없이 쭉쭉 결승까지 올라갑니다.
That was it. You got it.
그리고 벨리의 바람대로 우승까지 차지했죠.
Did you ask her yet?
Ask me what? To be your escort.
콜레드의 파트너 제안이 수제나의 부탁 때문이었다는 사실을 알게 되었습니다.
And it was all because his mom asked.
Just proves my point why Jelly thrives and Bonrad blows.
What am I gonna do? I mean, how am I supposed to fully jump into something with Jeremiah if...
니콜의 요트 파티에 초대된 두 사람은 술자리 공놀 손병호 게임을 하고 있습니다.
Okay, put a finger down if you've ever had sex. Put a finger down if you've ever made out with Jeremiah Fisher.
I always had this weird feeling there was something going on between you and Conrad. But I guess I just had the wrong brother.
Nicole! Yeah, Conrad's texting you. Okay, coming.
다 같이 바다에서 알몸 수영을 하던 중 니콜이 벨리와 테일러를 두고 떠나버렸죠.
Which has a really incriminating text from Conrad. My mom did ask me to ask you to the ball, but that's not why I did it. I did it because I wanted to.
Oh my god.
갑작스러운 고백 때문에 벨리만 곤란해졌습니다.
Hey, I get it. You were right. Why can't we just call Jeremiah? We're gonna be like murder.
I used to dream about Conrad and imagine what it would be like, and I felt safe. He would never feel for me what I feel for him. When Jeremiah and I kissed, it was real. And real is like scary.
But isn't love supposed to be a little scary?
I was at Hopper's Cove and I saw your text to Belly. And I'm so annoyed with myself for getting caught up in this because I know better.
I'm sorry.
Your girlfriend and her friend are gonna need this.
다행히 살해당하기 전에 제르와 콜레드가 데리러 왔습니다.
I hope you told her to watch her back.
Are you okay if I go with Jeremiah?
Oh my god, are you kidding me? Yes. 1000% yes. If you stopped playing all these games and just let her go, it would have been a great night.
So I already may be taking you to the ball.
Who told you that?
My mom?
I still don't have a date.
벨리는 제르에게 자신의 마음을 확인시켜줍니다.
Yeah, it's beating really fast.
I was always so scared for when this moment would come. But weirdly, I'm totally fine. Because it's Jeremiah. Will you go with me to the temple?
그렇게 무도의 파트너까지 정해졌지만 콜레드는 벨리에게 잔의를 시전하며 또 흔들어 놓네요.
It's triggering. Bad things happen when you text me.
This is yours. You don't have to keep it or anything. I just don't want to lose you.
It's too late.
뭐 하나 제대로 해결된 게 없었지만 무도의 날이 다가오면서 여름의 끝이 오고 있었죠.
Did I push you into this? Look, honestly, we don't even need to go tonight if you don't want to, okay?
No, I want to go. I want to finish what I started. And I'm kind of proud to show everybody.
I love you so much, beautiful girl.
마음에 들지 않는 드레스를 입을 걱정을 했지만
You got me the dress I wanted.
누구보다 딸의 마음을 잘 알고 있었던 로럴.
I didn't think you noticed.
I'm your mother.
I know you didn't want me to be a Deb.
I didn't, but it's just hard to let you go.
Break a leg.
That'd be bad. I'm supposed to be dancing on.
I just mean good luck. It's like a thing people say. For what it's worth, Jared was the right choice.
Yeah, I know.
오늘은 문제없이 하루가 지나가나 싶었지만
What the freak? Are you kidding me? You and Jeremiah? Oh my god, you guys were like what, like sneaking around?
야 너나 잘해.
This affects like way more than just you.
But you don't get a say in who I date. You're just gonna have to trust me.
Listen, Steven, I would never do anything to ever hurt her. I swear. Come on, it's Belly.
God, just don't do stuff in front of me.
Nicole, I'm really sorry.
I'm over it. I'm here with somebody else.
자신의 진심을 솔직하게 이야기하며 사과하는 벨리.
It's not your fault Conrad's a fuckboy.
But I swear to you, Nicole, I am completely over Conrad.
No one ever really gets over their first love.
드디어 데뷔탕스 무도회가 시작됩니다.
Everything's gonna be different next year. Conrad's going off to college. It may be the last summer we're all together.
Just don't forget, I get to dance with you tonight.
Steven, I don't think we've officially met. I'm Cleveland.
Hi.
So, your mom says that you got your sights set on Princeton?
If he gets into Princeton, we'll find a way to make it work.
Thanks, Mom.
You look so handsome.
Girls aren't supposed to know if we're pretty or not. We're supposed to wait for other people to tell us before we're allowed to feel it about ourselves. But isn't that bullshit? Because we're all beautiful in our own ways.
You're a goddess.
If you ever say that to me again, I'll throw up all over you.
어김없이 아이들은 이번 여름에도 많은 것들을 배웠죠.
I'll be right back. Where's she going?
I don't know. Laurel?
Sometimes I think the only person you've ever truly loved is Susanna. There were always three people in our marriage, Laurel. And I accepted it because I love her too. But you're going to have to face that Susanna isn't going to be here much longer.
Don't say that.
It's the truth.
Laurel? The escort dance is about to start. Belly really doesn't want you to miss it.
하이틴에서 가장 호불호가 심하게 갈리는 장면이지만 국룰인 무대를 뒤집어 놓는 장면도 빠짐없이 등장하네요.
That was incredible. You were incredible.
그리고 제르는 수제나의 휴대폰을 몰래 가져갑니다.
I don't know where Jeremiah is.
He'll be here in a minute, I'm sure. Go, get ready. Okay.
So why didn't you tell me you and Liam were a thing? I mean, I don't know if you haven't noticed, but I don't exactly fit in here. I'm nothing like him.
That's a good thing. I chose you.
I think I love you.
Well, duh.
곧 왈츠 무대를 앞두고 있지만 엄마의 병을 알게 된 제르는 돌아갈 수 없었죠.
It's 2 a.m. and I'm cursing your name. So in love that I acted insane.
결국 돌고 돌아 콜레드가 파트너가 되었습니다.
I think I remember most of the steps.
She's luminous.
Billy, Conrad is the sun, and when the sun comes out, the stars disappear.
늘 꿈에 그렸던 순간 벨리와 콜레드는 가장 환하게 빛났습니다.
That it was me. Hey,
Hey, Jeremiah, where were you?
Conrad, we need to talk, all right? It's important. It's about Mom. Let's talk about this later, okay? You already know, don't you?
Conrad knows? Oh my God.
Stop it! Both of you, stop it!
Mom? We know, Mom. We both know.
결국 눈물바다가 된 여름의 끝자락.
And Susanna was sick and I didn't even know.
That's how she wanted it.
She's not gonna get better, is she?
No.
친구에게도 아이들에게도 최고의 여름을 선물하고 싶었던 수제나. 그녀의 이런 마음은 친구와 아이들에게 닿았고 덕분에 이번 여름도 잊을 수 없는 뜨거운 추억이 되었습니다.
Can't you just try for us, Mom? I need to.
아이들을 위해 임상실험에 참여하기로 한 수제나.
Told them I'd do the trial.
It's going to work. You're magic. Since when do you believe in magic? I believe in you.
There were times this summer when I felt like I didn't know my own heart. But one thing I do know for sure is that no matter what happens next, I will always come back to this place and these people.
드라마 내가 예뻐진 그 여름 시즌1은 로맨스 하이틴 장르의 작품으로 내가 사랑했던 모든 남자들에게 원작자인 제니안의 동명의 소설을 원작으로 제작되었고 곧 시즌2 방영을 앞둔 드라마입니다. 개인적으로 이 드라마를 보고 느낀 저의 생각은 하이틴 맛집이 넷플릭스에서 프라임 비디오로 바뀌었다는 생각이 들었습니다. 사실 하이틴이란 장르가 틀어놓기 좋고 그냥 쉽게 시작하기 좋은 작품이라고 생각하는데 이게 점점 괴랄할 정도로 보기 힘든 작품들이 나오기 시작했거든요. 물론 퀸살범이나 프린세스 다이어리 같은 하이틴 황금기에 나온 작품들은 여전히 좋지만 그 뒤로 하이틴은 적은 비용으로 투자하기 좋은 장르가 되어버렸고 복사 붙여넣기를 한 듯한 스토리가 줄줄이 나왔습니다. 물론 그 중에서도 플립이나 EJ 같은 명작들도 있었지만 개인적으로 넷플릭스 공장에서 나온 하이틴은 도를 넘는 느낌이었거든요. 스토리는 점점 괴랄해져 개연성은 떨어지고 그렇다고 해서 얼굴을 보는 재미가 올라가지도 않았죠. 저는 솔직히 하이틴은 얼굴을 보는 재미가 크다고 생각하는데 최근에 나온 많은 하이틴은 이 재미마저 크지 않게 되어버렸어요. 여주가 그렇게 매력적이지도 않고 남주가 그렇게 잘생겼다고 느껴지지도 않았어요. 물론 지니앤 조지아의 마커스 같은 캐릭터도 있긴 했지만요. 하지만 이번에 내가 예뻐진 그 여름은 이 부분들까지 다 챙겼습니다. 이 작품은 하이틴에서 중요하게 생각하는 외적인 부분은 확실히 챙겼다고 봐요. 두 남주 둘 중 누구를 선택하든 이해가 되고 이 작품을 본 대부분의 시청자들이 한쪽으로 치우치지 않죠. 남주에서는 반반으로 나올 만큼 파가 분명하게 갈리더라고요. 이 말은 두 캐릭터 모두 캐스팅을 기가 막히게 하고 캐릭터의 매력을 보여줄 만한 장면도 충분했다는 겁니다. 이게 만약 제대로 들어가지 않았다면 보통 시청자의 의견이 한쪽으로 치우치기 마련입니다. 예를 들어 우리가 지니앤 조지아를 볼 때 도대체 왜 마커스를 두고 헌터를 선택하지? 대부분의 시청자가 이걸 이해하지 못했거든요. 근데 이걸 충분히 설명했다. 이건 하이틴에서 반 이상은 성공했다고 봅니다. 또 서브 커플로 등장하는 스티븐과 셰일라의 비주얼도 완벽하죠. 우리가 지금까지 봐왔던 외국 하이틴에 등장하는 동양인은 같은 동양인이 봐도 외적인 부분이 만족스럽지 않았습니다. 그런데 거의 처음으로 동양인 남주 여주 모두 발박수 쳐주고 싶은 비주얼이었습니다. 근데 또 이렇게 외적인 걸 이야기하면 저한테 댓글로 너무 외모지상주의 아니냐고 이야기하거든요. 딱 말할게요. 그냥 그런 걸로 하겠습니다. 저는 솔직히 잘생기고 예쁜 애들이 연애하는 거 보려고 하이틴 봅니다. 솔직히 못생긴 거 보려면 저는 그냥 거울 보면 돼요. 근데 거울에서 보지 못한 거 보고 싶어서 하이틴 보는 거예요. 그런데 이 작품은 외적인 부분을 제외하더라도 스토리 역시 하이틴에서 볼 수 있는 최고의 스토리였다고 생각해요. 예를 들어 밀어내기만 했던 콜레드는 엄마의 병을 알고 있으면서 또 이 중에서 가장 어른이라 많이 신중했죠. 그래서 이 아이의 행동들이 이해가 될 만한 것들이 있었거든요. 또 두 남주 사이에서 갈팡질팡하는 벨리 역시 12년간 짝사랑하는 콜레드가 있고 새로운 사랑 제르까지 눈앞에 있는데 10대 소녀가 혼란스럽지 않으면 이상한 거잖아요. 이 부분에서 캐릭터들의 서사와 설명이 충분히 들어갔다고 생각합니다. 또 여기서 엄마들의 이야기도 정말 좋았잖아요. 암에 걸려 언제 죽을지 몰라서 소중한 사람들에게 가장 완벽한 여름을 선물하고 싶었던 수제나, 그러면서 로랄과 함께 자신 역시 최고의 여름을 선물 받았습니다. 두 엄마에게도 이번 여름은 10대로 돌아가는 순간, 즉 이들에게도 하이틴이었다는 거죠. 그런 부분에서 이 작품은 어떤 캐릭터한테 몰입하더라도 충분히 이들의 감정을 느끼고 여름을 즐길 수 있는 부분이 좋았어요. 물론 크게 보면 굉장히 흔한 스토리거든요. 근데 이 장르에서 할 수 있는 충분한 노력을 한 덕분인지 이 섬세함이 굉장히 좋았습니다. 파스텔한 컬러의 배경과 얼굴과 매력, 서사까지 제대로 갖춘 캐릭터까지 여름 하이틴의 교과서가 된 드라마 내가 예뻐진 그 여름 추천해드리면서 저는 이만 인사드리도록 하겠습니다. 가시기 전에 구독과 좋아요 한 번씩 부탁드립니다. 오늘도 찾아오셔서 너무너무 감사해요. 저는 지금까지 영화를 그리는 신기 누설이었습니다.
There's so many things I want to say to you.
Don't. Not now.
Why?
Because you really, really, really need somebody right now, and
I need you.
I don't want you to need me. I want you to want me.
I do want you.